Hello, today I'm going to talk about how to use Blender. So upon opening Blender, you will see this shape right here, and there's many options to go about how to use Blender. You could delete Blender by using the X button. You can also create, I believe, with Shift A, can create different shape right here, like a cube. Delete it again. Shift A, you can create a sphere. Again with Shift A, you can create any shape you want. And another one, like you can even create a plane, which is a two dimensional stuff right here. So you can delete any way you want by right click, delete, or just use the X button here. So okay, in order to rotate a shape, you use either this button right here, this 10 millimeters. You could use rotation to rotate by pushing the R button. You can scale by using the S button in the keyboard. You can also use this button right here to move, and also this delimiter here by changing the size of the Z or Y coordinates. Yeah, you can do any of that, and you can delete as well. One thing that is amazing about this software is you can change the shape however you want. If you go to the cube, you can change modes. You can go to the edit mode or object mode, or even what do you call it? The pose mode. The pose mode is not here. If you want to do animation, you go to the pose mode. And okay, now this is what I just did right here. You do a control R. If I go back again, you will go to edit modes. You will use control R. First you select and you use control R, and then you get this shape right here. You can also control the shape of the vertices, and this button here are called vertices. Those are called vertices. You can control the vertices by moving the delimiter here, the move tool, and the move tool can be used, but you can use the move tool here by tapping the G button right here. And if you want to extrude, you go to the face mode to extrude any size you want. You can extrude, and you can also use the eye also. You can also do like this. You push the eye tool. Yeah, we push I to do that. And yeah, also if you would like to use the mirror mode here, you have to go here to use the mirror mode. The mirror modifier. It's easier if I use a different shape. Let's delete everything. And I'm going to create another shape. It's a pretty easy software to use Blender. And what you can do is to go to edit mode first. You select the edges if you like. But first you have to use that tool, which is Control R tool, and then you select all the edge. So as I said, it's pretty easy to use. You select all of the edge, or you could use select the faces to make it easier. Okay, yeah, this is the B tool on your keyboard, and then from here you go to the mirror made flyer, and then you delete all the faces, and from here you could switch to edit mode, and you this is your mirror modifier. Okay, if you have any question you can ask me on comments how to use Blender. Okay, take care, bye bye.